I can see my voice moving on the sound waves. Are we already starting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
You're listening to the
Layla
and Dada
show. How do I still remember that?
It is January 1st, 2000.
And 25.
Yeah. And it's been a while since we did this.
It's been 4 years.
Well, I think we did it more recently than that, but it's been a while since we did this. And today is your last day of winter break.
Mm-hmm. And I wanted to do something fun, so I had the idea of doing a podcast with Daddy again.
Let's talk about what we did over this winter break. We did a lot.
We did a lot.
We did a lot. This winter break consisted of Hanukkah and Christmas and New Year's. Hanukkah and Christmas were on the same day.
Yeah, they started the same day, so it was crazy. The past, winter break, It was, wow.
Yeah. And a lot of our family, extended family, went away for the holidays.
Yeah.
So the four of us just did a bunch of things ourselves. Let's talk about that.
Yeah.
So we went to Crayola Factory.
Yep. It was really fun.
Yeah. And what was your favorite part of the Crayola Factory?
Probably making my own crayon. You got to write your name on it, and also you got to pick emojis to put on it. I think you get to pick one only. I'm not sure. Right? One.
Yep.
And also, it was cool seeing that huge crayon. When you first walk in, you could probably see maybe the second floor. Was it the second or first floor? It had a lot of floors.
What, the long one that was laying down?
That blue one. The big blue one.
Yeah, I think that was in the first floor or second floor, yeah.
So on the second floor, there was this big blue crayon. It was at least 5 times the height of a normal man. At least. Right?
Yeah, I think it was 6 feet long, something like that.
I'm not sure, but
yeah,
big.
It was big, and so that was the fun day. That was a long day, long drive, and then long drive home as well. And was that the night that? No, that was not the night we realized that our headlight was out. But during this, we dropped off one of our cars to get fixed, so we were down to one car during almost the whole holiday break, and it was fixed. But,
finally.
So we did Crayola Factory, and then we were supposed to go to a friend's house the next day, but our friend was sick, so we couldn't go to their house.
Little
Mm-hmm.
week.
I don't remember what we did that day instead. We may not have done anything. We might have just relaxed.
Yeah, I think I might have had my friend over.
Oh, that might have been the day where you had a friend over. And then the day after that, we went to, so I had a photo session to do. And I dropped you and Mommy and your brother off at a science museum.
I keep thinking it's American Dream Mall for some reason. I don't know
No,
why.
it's not. And so I dropped you off at a science museum, and then I went and did my proposal photo shoot, and then met back at the science museum. What was your favorite part of the science museum?
Probably, I need to remember what was there. So there was this sock skating, ice skating, but with your socks. So there was one little area where it was very slippery. So all I heard was boom, 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 people falling on their face. And I tried it with my brother and you, and we all did it, and it was pretty fun. It was not that slippery because the little ones were definitely
Of all
slippery.
of the science museum, that was your favorite part?
Probably that, and also that music room. You know that music room where
when you go up the stairs?
Yeah. So when you go up the stairs, there's a music room where there's one big circle where there's trumpets. What is it?
There was different types of instruments, but it was you don't like blow into them like if it was your own instrument.
It's kind of like, what is it called? Like a lever that you push?
Yeah, it's like a pump. Like it kind of looks like a tire pump.
Yeah,
right?
a tire pump that like it's different moods. So like angry, you push it down and it like screams madly, and then like it could be happiness, and then they go ee or something like that. Oh, that the sound wave just went big when I did that. Yes, I'm still into the sound wave, and I think that might have been it. There was a lot of cool things though. I liked everything. And there was also this like dinosaur area outside, which my brother really wanted to go in, but it was too cold.
Yeah. I'm surprised you didn't bring up the touch tunnel.
Oh, the touch tunnel! Oh my gosh, that was my favorite. I forgot about that. So this is a pretty long and funny story. So there's this touch tunnel. I don't know if you guys know what it is, but it's basically like a pitch black tunnel where you have to use all your senses except sight and smell, because you really
can
only
smell. You can smell in there.
Yeah, but like, would the smell really help you?
I mean, think about it. If they sprayed inside the exit a smell, you would sniff your way to find the smell, right?
Well, yeah.
Where it gets the strongest.
But I mean, like, you have to use only your, like...
You can't use sight because you can't see. The only thing you see are the red lights from their night vision cameras.
Their cameras, yeah.
To make sure everybody's safe. But we stood in line for about 30 minutes, and then it was our turn.
And then... were waiting, and I went in the tunnel, and I'm like, oh, God, that's dark. So I chickened out, and I went right back out the entrance.
Yeah. But then we went back, and
at the end,
the line was a little faster, about 20 minutes. And we did it. No problem. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
I was still a little scared, but...
and then on the way home from there, we realized that we have a headlight out on our other car. So
we could have got a ticket, but thank God we did not.
The next morning, you and I got a bulb, got bagels
and
for
we
breakfast.
Also got the Ninja Turtle car.
Yep. From the car part store. That was fun. And one thing that's really special that I'm very, very happy about is during this break, you and I have watched every Star Wars movie. This is the last day of the break, and we have about an hour left of the last Star Wars movie of the 9 episodes.
It's been really cool. I love Star Wars now.
Lots of twists and turns, right? And the plan is once we get through the main storyline, you're going to watch spin-offs and like the different movies and TV shows that have been made,
the TV shows,
including the cartoon and the movie The Ewok Adventures, which we do have.
I really want... The Ewoks are so cute.
Yeah, they are.
They're so cute. They're like little dogs. They look like little dogs with ugly faces, but they're also really
I think they're
cute.
supposed to look like Shih Tzu dogs.
Oh, yeah, like... Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. I could see that.
Yeah. Kind of like bear dogs,
Like
in a way.
bear and dogs, but mixed.
Yeah.
And very... Like, it's like ugly, but also cute.
Yeah.
They act cute, but they look ugly.
Yeah. So what are you looking forward to most about going back to school?
I get to see my teachers and my friends again because everyone has been busy over winter break because of like Christmas and all the holidays. And
Yeah, a lot of people went away.
Yeah, and vacations.
Yeah. Yeah.
It was really fun though. I want to go back, but I don't want to go back.
Yeah, it goes quick, right?
Yeah.
But before you know it, it'll be spring break. And then before you know it, it'll be summer again.
Yeah, it was fast.
Yeah, a year goes by really fast. So, but something is coming up very soon that is really fun. Someone has a birthday coming up. Who's that?
Me.
And you decided that we wanted to do a ceramic painting party. So we're having a painting party for your birthday. That's going to be fun. A lot of people are coming.
Yeah. The theme for it is cats, obviously.
What's going to happen if at the place they don't have a cat ceramic for you to paint?
They're going to have a cat.
What if they don't? What if they only have dogs? What if they only have Ewoks?
Then if there's a Star Wars one like Leia or Rey, then I'll do that because those are my two favorite characters.
Okay. I'll probably have a cat though.
Probably.
Yeah.
I remember there was like a cat that was dancing with a disco ball above her. I don't know why I remember that, but
Silly.
I remember.
Yeah. Well, this has been fun.
Yeah.
I like doing these with you. We should do these more often. We keep saying we're going to do it more often, and we don't.
And then we don't do it. It's been like at least 2 years since we've done one.
I don't know. I can check when we hit stop. But
That was fun.
yeah,
Let's do it maybe next week.
we can do it maybe next week.
Like once a week. How about that?
Okay.
Okay.
You've been listening to the
Layla
and Dada
Show.
show.